everybody, check out this bench I made. Put the fabric all around, it's got cushion all around the outside so you won't bump your leg up against the corners. Nice cushion for sitting or a footstool. You can turn it over so it could be a little table. And it's got some storage inside. Cute little legs on the bottom that I still need a polyurethane. But you know, everything has to be multifunctional on a small bus. So footstool, seating, storage, and a table. Ta-da! Okay, got all the pieces cut out. Just need to assemble it now. The main part of the box is built. The top part is going to be loose. I'm going to put these little things in it to keep it from shifting around while it's closed. But I don't want to put hinges on it because I want to be able to flip it over and use it as a table too. So I just have to do the top piece, cut these the size in there, and then I'm going to wrap the whole thing in fabric and put a little cushion on top of this one so it could be additional seating slash storage slash footstool slash coffee table. Multifunctional in a small bus. Okay, have the top done. Let's see how it works. Little piece of wood keeps it from sliding off either way. Now all I have to do is get some fabric and some legs for it, and I'll have a footstool, storage bench, coffee table that I could just flip over. Use as a little table when I need it. And then this side is going to be covered in a cushion for additional seating. Ta-da! And a little update on where I am with the cabinets. I got the side fabric done. So basically what I did was I measured the height and the width, added an extra half inch on each side for seam allowance, and another half an inch so that there was enough room in here that I could stuff it and make it soft on the side. Sewed it all the way around, only up to like about a half inch on top so that I could fold it over and staple gun it or glue it down. And so all I need to do now is figure out a way to, I'm going to take this and try to maybe use some polyurethane or something to get it to stick to the sides, and then pull this down and staple gun the fabric on, and then the sides will be done. Okay, so this polyfill stuff didn't really work too well because it made it kind of lumpy, so I decided to go to Joann's and just get some like straight up foam. I got a thicker piece for the seat cushion, and I'm going to go ahead and see if this works better. Okay, I got the foam all cut up in here, and I just have to staple gun the fabric down. And you really don't have to put foam in here to make a stool, but considering that it's going to be in a really tight space, I just want to make sure that if somebody bumped into it, you're not going to get you know, dinged by the corners and all that stuff, and I just thought it would just make it a little bit more cushy and comfy as a footstool and a seating bench too. So I'm just going to staple gun this down, and the bottom portion will be done with the exception of the legs that I bought. Okay, got the trim glued down to cover up the staples on the opening, and I'm working on the cushion. So I got it cut to size, and now I'm just kind of hot gluing the cushion into place. Okay, cushion's glued on to the little top here, and the next thing I'm going to do is cover it in fabric and staple gun that down. Okay, got the top done, and it's pretty comfy. I've sat on it already. So I wish I would have got enough ribbon though to put around the staples here, but basically what I want to be able to do is be able to flip it over like that and then have a solid surface like that, be it coffee table or table or whatever. And yeah, so I might get some more ribbon to cover the staples around there and make it look better. And I just need to attach the leg. Just got back from work in Home Depot, and all I have left to do is attach these legs that I bought. I've already drilled the holes last night, so all I need to do is screw it in. See if this works. Oh, perfect. To sit and stuff. Okay, here it is. It's got the legs on it. There's cushions all the way around, so you won't bang yourself when if you bump up next to it. It's got a little bit of storage in there. I do want to get some more of this trim for the lid. And if it's on this side, it'll be like a little coffee table or table. I want to get trim along here so it covers up the staples on this side. And if it's closed, it's just a footstool or seating bench. Okay, all done. Thanks for watching.